Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I would like to show you around in the shade garden. So this plant is not really a shade plant, but it can survive in the shade. It's called Symphytum caucasicum, and it has a big fleshy black root system, and it can be propagated by root cuttings or rototilling the plant. The other favorite of mine is Arum, and this is just going to flower soon. You can see the spaces are closed, but they were open for 1 or 2 days only. Oh, and this one is already in flower. Oh, how can I show you? So it's a lovely green shade, and my Corydalis is already setting seeds, and you can see that it has these black seeds with white fleshy parts, and these are the white fleshy parts called elaizomes, and these are carried by ants to their nests. My other favorite shade plant is Polygonatum falcatum variegatum. It has this lovely pink this is one leaf, so it has this lovely pink shade at the upper side, and it has these variegated edges. It looks great, and it slowly creeps around in the garden. As you can see, there are also a lot of weeds. This is my favorite. It's called Smyrinium olusatrum, and it has these wonderful yellow leaves just below the inflorescence. It's a 2-year plant, so it's a biennial. In the first year it just grows these leaves, and then the second year it flowers. And here you can see the beer onions flowering. These were all raised from seed in 5 years. So I let them flower and set seed and propagate here, because they really don't like transplanting. They have these spindle-like bulbs with fleshy roots, and when they dry out, it's the end of the plant. Another Symphytum, it's called Symphytum rubrum, but it has this lovely pink flowers. More beer onions. A small bamboo, which is sprouting now. And I have more Polygonatum. This one is called Polygonatum latifolium, and it has this lovely light green shade with very shiny leaves. And this Convallaria, or lily of the valley, is very special. I raised it from seed. It's a giant one. It flowers a little bit late and has a little tiny pink shades on the flowers, and it's called Convallaria keishkei, and it's from Novosibirsk Botanic Garden and from a Japanese botanic garden. I got the seed 22 years ago or 23 years ago, and the seeds needed 2 years to germinate and 12 more years to flower. So it's a lovely plant, and it has very nice long stems with lovely lily of the valley fragrance. So thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.